Imagine yourself in this Buick 2021 Enclave Avenir. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment Group 1 SP, 3.49 axle ratio, wheels, 20 aluminum with premium pearl nickel finish, 7 passenger seating, perforated leather appointed seat trim, Avenir technology package, radio, Buick infotainment 6 AM/FM stereo with nav, inside rearview mirror with full camera display and front power sliding moonroof. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.